Need computer training for a group or office? Contact us today to get a free demo of our training at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.
When you password protect an Excel file, you prevent people from opening or modifying the file without knowing the password required to accomplish the specified operation. Once password protection is enabled on a file, no one can open or modify the file without supplying the appropriate passwords for both tasks. Password protecting files poses a small risk because if you forget the password to either open or modify the files, then you will not be able to open or modify the files in the future. So, to apply password protection to an Excel file, open the file to which you want to apply password protection. Then, if using Excel 2007, click the Microsoft Office button and then choose the Save As command. If using Excel 2010, click the File tab in the ribbon and then choose the Save As command. In either version, this will then open the Save As dialog box. Select the Tools drop-down button in the lower right corner of the Save As dialog box and then choose the General Options command to view the General Options dialog box. Here you can set the password protection on the file before saving it. In the File Sharing section of the General Options dialog box, enter any passwords that you want to apply to this file. Note that you can set passwords to both open and/or modify the file. You can then click OK to set the passwords. You will then need to reconfirm these passwords by retyping them into the confirmation dialog box that appears. Then keep clicking OK until you return to the Save As dialog box, where you will proceed to save the file as normal. Now in the future, when a user tries to open the file, they will need to enter the password to open the file that you specified. Now, once opened and viewable, if they try to make changes, they will then be prompted to enter the password to modify the file that you specified. To remove password protection, you will need to know the passwords for both opening and modifying the file, if any. Then open the file, and you'll need to supply the password to do this, and then open the Save As dialog box once again. Once again in the Save As dialog box, click the Tools drop-down button, and then select the General Options command to open the General Options dialog box. This time, delete both passwords from the File Sharing section of the General Options dialog box. Then just click the OK button. You will then need to resave the file as usual to remove the password protection.
Like what you see? Get a free demo of our training for groups of 5 or more at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.